Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at stockmarketmentor.com, and it is Wednesday, May 11th. Okay, I got a random chart for you in this free chart video. Junk bonds. Those are high yield bonds that aren't investment grade. Look at the 6.32 dividend yield. That's pretty high. After taxes, you're still doing pretty darn good. But the chart is what's working for me, because when you combine this with the crappy yields that you get on like the treasuries, 1.74, and a really lousy chart here, I will take the junk bond ETF. Plenty of liquidity. Means there's buying in there, guys. A pullback to the 50-day moving average. I would be relying on this uptrend. You know, higher high, definitely from these, higher low, higher high still, higher high low. I would be buying this with a stop a little below here, maybe even lower still, and then just ride this thing and collect this dividend. And I want you to think about this. 6% is a pretty big, that's just a pretty big yield. And right now, with rates so low, investors are looking for high-yielding trades. That's why, like, Philip Morris is doing so well at 3.5%. Reynolds American at 3.3% is doing well. Philip Morris, 4% is doing well. These are, you know, hey, man, they're smoking stocks that smoke. They're working. And so don't forget about stuff like this. It's a great chart. It's showing a push back up above the 200-day moving average. And when I can get a 6.32% yield and then some capital appreciation to go on top of that, I would say in the course of a year, you know, I've got a 10% investment on, look, and it's an ETF, so it's not like they're all going to go belly up. It's an ETF, by definition, diversification. If you think rates are going to start screaming, then this is going to be a problem. I personally don't think so. So anyway, give that a shot, give that a try. Members, I'm going over to look at more energy stocks. That sector has been working really well for us, and I want to continue on that vein. By the way, if you haven't tried Stock Market Mentor, I got to ask you to do so. We're making pretty good money, pretty good trades over there, and from what I hear from our members, their trading's getting better, and isn't that ultimately what it's all about? So give it a try.